at Shelby. Oh, Porter. Hi, Porter. How you doing? How you doing? Ooh. What? Don't stop. Just so Brock, what are you doing? Are you the lookout? Woo! Hit the brakes. Hi, Rooster. How you doing? You can do it, Duke. You can do it. Good girl, Shelby. Well, except for that. Good girl, Shelby. It's the furthest this way you've been in a while. Does she have red or orange on the back of her neck? Or is it just me? Huh. Hey, Katrina.
She had any color?
I don't think so. I didn't look, but she did the other day. All the dogs are turning colors. Look, Bosco from Sparkle and Bonita, he was green. Right here. Somebody else was green around there too. Cooper, the little Sheltie.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, he was green. You're like pink. What's wrong with that? Java. Boys, easy. Come on, Shelby, you can get up there. Yeah, you're pink. Why are you pink? Why are you pink? Brock. Porter. What, Porter? What's the matter? What's the matter, Porter? Hi, Rufus. How you doing? Good boy. Huh? Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah. Hi, Porter. You still got something stuck in your fur. What is it? Oh, sorry. Well, sorry. I'm gonna get it out. I'm not having any luck at it. Nope. Not having any luck at it, buddy. Sorry. Come on, Shelby, you can do it. Oh, so close. Shelby. I said, Shelby. Suddenly regained our confidence moving around. Java. What do? Sydney.
Like King of the Mountain?
Up, up, up. Real fast.